It's the final brain cell.
Hey man, you wanna fucking stop?
What in the hell kind of contraption is this? Hold on, let me just... Oh. Whoa, what the hell is that? Just a little shit. I bop you. And I bop you again. You know, I can't seem to figure you... Wait, oh! In the whiskers, screw you! You son of a bitch! Huh, get over here. You said... Oh, shit. I'm... You know what? I'm sorry, Mr. Are you... Get over... You're gonna be okay.
Stop pursing your lips while you poop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey Google, stop music. Well, this has got to end. All right, let's go, Millie. Come on, she's coming with me. Okay, all right, you know what? You're cleaning this up, Chase. Not me this time. You're cleaning it up.
I remember when I lost my mind.
It's a corner. Well, fuck you then. I don't know what it is. Well, I'm looking. I don't see shit. There's nothing in the corner. Oh, you can go fuck off then. I'm not seeing it. It's not fucking there, bro. It's a corner and it's fucking empty, bro.